Hi, I'm Adam, the Blendtec specialist, and in this video we're going to take a look at the Blendtec Rapid Rinser, what it does, how it works, and how it can save you time and money at your blending station. In a fast-paced cafe or smoothie bar, Blendtec's Rapid Rinse is the ultimate answer to keeping your Blendtec jars clean. Aside from being engineered for use with the Blendtec jars, anything from a shot glass all the way up to an 8-inch bowl can be rinsed and ready to use again in as little as a few seconds. Compared to rinsing jars under a tap, the Rapid Rinse can reduce your water usage dramatically. In fact, during my own testing, I measured a reduction in water usage by more than 80%. Blendtec have even thought of a way in which you can rinse your jar's lids. This neat little attachment sits on your Rapid Rinser and hey presto, you can now rinse your soft, hard and latching gripper lids. If you have a Stealth Nitro, you can use this to easily rinse the blades of your micronizer too. The Rapid Rinse is available in two formats, in sink or on counter. The in sink version includes the rinse unit plus 4 sucker feet. This allows you to adhere the rinser to the base or the side walls of your sink so that you can use your existing drainage. Wastewater from the rinser goes directly down the drain in your sink. The on-counter version includes the rinse unit and lid rinser attachment, a rinse station plus a wastewater drainage hose. This system allows you to place the entire rinse station anywhere on your countertop, allowing for greater flexibility, plus a convenient place to store and dry your Blendtec jars and lids. At the rear of the rinse station, you can connect the gravity-fed wastewater pipe to an outlet. Whichever version you decide best suits your establishment, you can be set up in no time with fuss-free installation, minimal staff training and hassle-free operation. Included with each rinser, a 6-foot water supply hose. At one end, a 3/8 of an inch compression fitting to connect to your mains water. At the other end, a quick connect valve. The quick connect and release feature is especially helpful when it comes to the cleaning and maintenance of your rinser, and I've covered how to carry out cleaning and maintenance in a separate video. On the underside of the rinser, you'll see these 4 holes. Depending on where you'll position your rinser, you can install sucker feet, or these can act as recesses if installing onto the Rapid Rinse drainage station. You should consult a plumber or kitchen fitter before you get into connecting your Rapid Rinse to the mains water supply. On that note, a few technical points to be aware of during the installation. First, you'll need a minimum of 30 psi or 206 kPa of hot or cold water. That means it is possible to use the Rapid Rinse in something like a catering truck or mobile smoothie stand as long as you have pressurized water supply. The quick connect and release valve acts as a closed valve system that prevents water leakage if the pressure drops. However, do check with your local authority regarding backflow protection regulations, as some areas might require an additional backflow preventer to be fitted. And finally, just so you know, the water consumption of the Rapid Rinser is 8.44 litres per minute. So once you're set up, using the Rapid Rinser is very, very easy. Simply push down and a high pressure jet of water will rinse and wash your jar in about 7 seconds. The Rapid Rinse dispenses water at an angle of around 120 degrees. That gives a 30% more water coverage compared to other rinsers. It washes up, around and even behind the blades of your jars. If you have the on-counter version, there's enough room to stack 3 jars across, and then of course you can stack one on top of the other, creating a perfect space-saving solution. The stacking fins on each Blendtec jar prevent them from becoming stuck one inside the other. So once dry, you'll be able to grab a fresh jar and keep blending without any hassle. From time to time, you will need to clean your Rapid Rinser, and especially if you use a lot of dairy. So do go and check out my video on exactly how to do that. It is really easy and the whole process takes about 5 minutes. If you've had your Rapid Rinser for a few years, or if you've run into some issues whilst using it, check out my other video on Rapid Rinser troubleshooting and maintenance. Both videos are linked down in the description below. Thanks for watching this video. Please bear in mind that I'm not a qualified plumber, but do leave a comment below if you've got any questions for me and I'll get back to you or point you in the right direction. Cheers.